Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to create grouping, sort fields, subtotals, and grand totals in Jaspersoft. For this demonstration, we'll use a report called Book Inventory Report. Let's preview the result. This is the current output of the report. It contains multiple columns, including book title, author, publisher, publication year, book category, ISBN, date added, stock quantity, and book price. Let's begin with the grouping concept. Right-click on the report name and select Create Group. Choose the category field and enter the group name as category. Here, we are creating a group based on the category column. Then click Next. You will see two options enabled by default, Add Group Header and Add Group Footer. Click Finish. This action adds two additional bands to the report layout, Category Group Header and Category Group Footer. From the Fields section, drag the category field into the Category Group Header band. The text field wizard will open. Since we are not performing any calculations, simply click Finish. Double-click the text field and enter the text book category, along with $F category to display the corresponding category value for each group. Click Finish. To align the text field properly, set the X value to 0 pixels, the Y value to 0 pixels, and the height to 20 pixels. Increase the width as much as needed. To make the heading stand out, use the Arial font, set the font size to 12, make the text bold, and apply middle vertical alignment. Next, add an additional category group header band. Copy all the column headers from the column header band. Paste the copied headers into the new category group header band. This ensures that the column headings are displayed for every category section, whereas the column header band displays the headings at the top of the detail records. Now, delete the column header band from the layout. To improve readability, set the height of the category group footer band to 5 pixels. This creates some spacing after each category group. Next, enable the following properties in the category group section. 1. Reprint header on each page. 2. Keep together. These settings ensure that grouped data is displayed correctly across multiple pages. Let's preview the report. As you can see, the records are now grouped by category, with each category displaying its corresponding records. Grouping in Jaspersoft Studio does not automatically rearrange the records. It simply creates a new group whenever the value of the grouping field changes. For example, let's say the technology book category appears on the first page, the same technology category appears again on the second page, and once more on the last page. In this case, Jaspersoft Studio treats each occurrence as a separate group because the records are not sorted by category. To ensure that all records belonging to the same category appear together, the data must be sorted by the category field. Next, let's understand the sorting concept. To create a sort field, right-click the Sort Fields section and select Create Sort Field. This opens the new Sort Field wizard. Choose the category field and click Finish. Now, let's look at the properties of the sort field. The properties display the name of the sort field, its type, and the sort order. The sort field type can be either a field or a variable. You can choose the sort order as ascending or descending based on your requirement. By default, the sort order is set to ascending. Let's preview the report. As you can see, the book category column is now sorted in ascending order, and the records are grouped correctly under their respective categories. Next, let's create subtotal and grand total variables. In the Variables section, right-click and select Create Variable. Enter the variable name as category_subtotal. Change the variable class from string to big decimal and set the calculation property to sum. Open the variable expression, select the price field, and click Finish. Then, change the reset type to the category group. This ensures that the subtotal is reset whenever the category changes. Now, create another variable for the grand total. Right-click the Variables section and select Create Variable. Enter the variable name as price_grand total. Change the variable class from string to big decimal and set the calculation property to sum. Open the variable expression, select the price field, and click Finish. For this variable, keep the reset type as report. This allows Jaspersoft Studio to calculate the total price across the entire report. Next, increase the height of the category group footer band to 20 pixels. Now, drag the category_subtotal variable into the category group footer band using the following expression. Subtotal price for each category, plus $v category_subtotal. Click Finish. To align the text field, set the X value to 0 pixels, the Y value to 0 pixels, the width to 816 pixels, and the height to 20 pixels. To make it stand out, use the Arial font, set the font size to 12, and make the text bold. Align the text to the right and apply middle vertical alignment. Next, add a summary band to display the grand total price for all books. Copy the subtotal text field and paste it into the summary band. Edit the text field expression to update the label and variable. Enter grand total, plus text and select the variable $v price_grand total from expression editor. This displays the grand total price of all books in the report. Click Finish. Let's preview the report one final time. As you can see, each category now displays its own subtotal price, and the report also shows the grand total price of all books at the end. This makes the report more informative and easier to analyze. Thank you for watching.